We are in Novamont, that is a producer of biodegradable materials, and it is a company that is integrated its technology from the final product that is a starch-based material where the starch is complexed with other components to produce some plastics that are biodegradable, but also can be used in machine, in traditional machine used for traditional plastics like polyethylene. Our technology starts at the moment from the production of monomers for the intermediates of the matter B process that are some monomers obtained from different renewable raw material from agriculture. This type of material could be solid or also liquid like oils, and we are working also together with agriculture people to develop some system that are able to use the different type of agriculture waste to obtain the different monomers. Then we could have in this way the intermediates that could be combined with starch in the proprietary technology of Novamont to obtain these plastics that is matter bean. Then our customer transform the matter bean in all the application that could give an advantage from the environmental point of view.
There's a fundamental problem that I felt going into it, and you saw it when they took us into the room that showed us what they make, which are replacement paper cups, replacement clamshells, disposable cutlery, and that. You know, when they invented this corn plastic, this idea of this product 20 years ago, it seemed like a really good idea at the time. But what we're essentially doing is replacing disposables with sort of less damaging disposables. In San Francisco or Toronto and a lot of cities, they're trying to encourage reusable bags, not another kind of plastic bag, which is still a lot of energy to make and still has to be managed, carried, picked up, taken somewhere, composted. We should be going to a zero waste society, not a compostable waste society. The second fundamental problem is that they're competing against food for the supply that they make their product with. It's made from cornstarch. Right now, the price of corn is incredibly high because the gasoline industry wants it for ethanol, and now the plastics industry wants it for these replacement biodegradable plastics. And at some point, we've got to decide what's more important, having a takeout clamshell or having dinner. And I think this isn't an issue that it is an issue they've started to address. For instance, we saw very clearly that they're beginning to look at using indigenous products like this thistle that grows in Sardinia and looking at waste. They can see what's coming down the road.
We perform different tests because we have in our research center different processing machine to evaluate the behavior of our composition in the different application and to select the right material for all the applications. So we are improving continuously our product together with our customer to have the better performance of the product in the different uses.